Samsung Galaxy Note 7 Battery Replacement Guide.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver, playing cards. Power down your Samsung Galaxy Note 7 phablet.
Eject the SIM and micro SD card tray. Smoothly remove the Samsung Galaxy Note 7 S Pen. The Note 7 rear glass panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Attack the adhesive and carefully dislodge the rear glass from the chassis. Remove the following 11 Phillips screws. Peel up the wafer-thin assembly that includes the wireless charging coil and NFC antenna. Pry the Galaxy Note 7 battery connector off the motherboard. Remove the single speaker with built-in antenna. The Note 7 battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use a spudger to muscle it free from the adhesive, securing it to the mid-frame. Extricate the 3500 mAh Samsung Galaxy Note 7 battery. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com.
Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.